Hi everyone, welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. I hope that you're all doing well. Today I'm bringing you a large Dollar Tree haul. Like I said in my previous Dollar Tree haul, I am not sponsored by them. I just love Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree's selection keeps getting better and better year after year. They've started carrying several name brands, and the prices on most of their products are unbeatable. The items that I'm about to show you were purchased over several trips during the last few weeks. I was able to find items in the school section, the crafting section, home decor, and seasonal section. So let's jump right in. On one of the end caps, they started putting out their 2021 calendars, and I didn't find one that I was looking for, but I did find this one with classic cars, and I picked this up for my husband. Dollar Tree now has $3 and $5 items, and in one of the sections near the school items, I found this mini bag, and it's black at the bottom with a zipper in the front, and the top is black and white chevron with gold polka dots, and then it has a zipper on the top. And this was for $3, and I thought it would be really handy for when I didn't want to take my big purse. I could just slip my wallet and keys and sunglasses and mask in the bag and hit the road. I found some coasters in the kitchen section, and these are off-white with the pink flower on them, and they say blessed. I picked up 6 of these for a DIY. Also in the kitchen section, I picked up this towel. It's poly cotton, has a red truck on it and a rooster on the top with the farm in the background, and it has some baskets with apples on the ground. And I picked up 2 of these. I thought these were really cute. I didn't remember about sharing this with you until I was editing the video because I've already used this item. It is an extra large coffee mug. It holds 2 large cups of coffee. It is dishwasher safe and microwave safe. It is white, and the writing on it is in black, and it says wifey, and the font resembles the Ray Dunn font called the Skinny, and this is now my favorite coffee mug. In the school section, I was able to find some glue sticks. They had this 2-pack for $1, and each glue stick is 1.2 ounces. I found this activity tray, and they had different colors. They had blue, pink, orange, red, green, and purple. And I'll be using this as a painting tray. They also have this marker storage container in a clear plastic, and it opens like a toolbox. And that's the inside of it, and I thought this would be good for storing batteries. So that's what I'll be using that for. I found these 5-tab dividers from Avery, and I thought that was really a good bargain for $1. So I picked up 3 packs. I found this pencil holder also in the school section, and it's in a minty teal color. And it has a large suction cup on the back for you to put it in the school locker. But I'll be using this in my shower. I'll keep my razor in it. I didn't pick up too many items from the Crafter Square section this time, but I did find these. They're wooden boxes, and they have the indents on the side to make it look like a real crate. And on this side it has an opening for a handle. And I did pick up 6 of these, and I'll be using these for DIYs. And I was able to find these woodcraft cubes. There are 36 in the package, and that's a really good bargain for $1. And I'll be using these for DIYs as well. In the home decor section, I found some scented wax melts, and this package is lemon and pina colada. I did try both of them. I'm not crazy about the lemon scent. I do like the pina colada, but it doesn't have much of a throw. I also found this pack of scented wax melts, and this one is blueberry and strawberry, but I haven't tried either of those yet. I found this perpetual calendar, and it's in the shape of a house, and I'm not sure if I'm going to change the decoration of it, but I'll be keeping it on my desktop. I also found these pillar candle holders, and I think they're so sleek, so elegant, so beautiful. These are in white, and I did pick up 2 of them, and I wish I'd picked up 2 more. In the seasonal section, I found this hanging wall sign, which says "Take me to the ocean." I picked up 2 of these, and I'll be using them for a DIY. In my local Dollar Tree, they've started stocking the fall items, and as usual, they are killing it. I found this hanging wall sign that says "Grateful, Thankful, Blessed," and it has a wood grain in the background, and the words are embossed with glitter, and I think I'll be sandpapering that off and leaving the rest as it is. It is held together with some brown satin ribbon. I think it is so pretty. I was excited to find these sunflowers. These are in a pack of 9, and these are smaller, and then there are 6 bigger ones. And I found this shadow box in a mint color with a wood green background, and it has a pumpkin on it, and it says "Autumn Blessings" in white glitter, and again I'll be sanding that off. I picked up some packages of maple leaves. They're 50 in a pack, and some of the leaves are burlap and some are satin. I was excited to find these. These are metal words that say "Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome." I was actually looking for these from last year, and I'm not sure why I only picked up 1 package, but I was really very happy to find them. I found some DIY wood stickers. These are in the shapes of pumpkins and maple leaves. I also found this 4-pack of pumpkins, and these are smaller pumpkins. And then there is a pack of 3 medium-sized pumpkins, and these are an off-white color with black specks on them. The smaller pumpkins are actually picks, and the medium pumpkins are actually clips. Now they're more cream color instead of the off-white like I mentioned. I found this piece of wood decor, and it is a white background with orange and mint pumpkins, and it says "Hello Autumn." On the top, bottom, and sides it has a pale mustardy yellow background with white leaves on it. I think it's so pretty, and I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with it, but I think I'll leave it as it is. I was also excited to find these MDF pieces. They are so pretty. They're about a 1/2 inch thick. This one says "Family." This one says "Gather." And this one says "Thankful." They're really sturdy, and they all have a jute cord as the hanger. And I'll be using these for DIYs. We're almost there, you guys. So I picked up some pumpkins. This is a hanging wall decor, and it's in orange, and it says "Thankful and Blessed." And the leaf at the top here is actually a piece of tin. It looks like galvanized metal. I'll be taking off the raffia bowl, removing the glitter and then using it for a DIY, and I picked up 3 of those. If you notice any difference in the lighting, the sun and the clouds are playing hide and seek, so it's totally beyond my control. Now, since we are a football family, I had to pick up this sign. It says family, friends, and it has a football at the bottom. The football is completely covered in glitter, and I will be removing that post haste. It's accented with pumpkins and leaves, and the background is in a white color. I think that's so cute. And the last sign I have is of the red truck. Guys, you know I have a problem. It says farm fresh pumpkins, and it's in a reddish color. It has pumpkins at the top, and it has an arrow that says 25 cents per pound. And the arrow, the edges of the arrow is covered in glitter. I'll be removing that as well. I don't know yet what I'll be doing with the sign itself. And now for my favorite items from the haul. I was so excited to find this wired ribbon. This one has the red truck on it with some pumpkins in the back. And on the other side it has pumpkins and maple leaves. It is a wired ribbon, and it's 2.5 inches wide by 9 feet long. I thought it's a really good bargain for $1, and I picked up 2 packages. I was also happy to find this burnt red buffalo plaid, and it's the same wired ribbon, 2.5 inches wide by 9 feet long. So pretty. I picked up 2 packages of those, and I'll be using those for Christmas. I was also excited to find the black and white buffalo plaid, and I picked up 4 packages of that. Don't ask me what I'm going to do with 4, but I'll figure it out. They also had a plaid in a brownish orange, and I thought I'd picked up 2 packages of those, but I'm not able to find them anywhere, so I guess they're still at the store and I'll have to go back and try to hunt them down. So friends, I hope that you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul and that you'll stay tuned to my channel to see how I use some of these items. I'm still on the hunt for a few of the fall items that I saw some of my fellow YouTube creators hauling. If I do find the items, I will try to do another haul so that you can see them and hopefully get those items too. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for photos of the other half of the store that I didn't bring home. Also stick around for the bloopers. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. It is absolutely free. Hit the like button, and in the comments section below the video, let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Also let me know what Dollar Tree items that you're on the hunt for, and if you're looking forward to the fall and the cool temps. I certainly am. I can't wait. Click the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. And remember to share this video with your family and friends. Stay safe, be kind, and be a blessing to someone. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, smile and create your own masterpiece today. Today I'll be bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. Today I will bring you a... I also found this 4-pack of not napkins. In my local Dollar Tree, they've started In my local Dollar Tree, they've just started stocking the shelves with the fall items and are In my local Dollar Tree, they just started stocking the fall items and are again